Welcome. Today's video is in regards to a one-page website. Okay, this website will actually have 5 sections. If you are here, 9 times out of 10, it's because you are viewing this video because this is a promo. You probably got a promo deal of some sort, and this is the video that you actually need to be watching because this pertains to your one-page website promo. Okay, this website will actually have 5 sections. Okay, so please follow along. Make sure that you take notes because there's going to be some information that's actually not going to be typed here, but it's going to be information that I'm going to share with you. So please take notes. Okay, first of all, type your name. Okay, next, type your domain name here. Okay, even if you have not purchased your domain name yet, but you know the domain name that you want to go with, please make sure that you type it here. Okay, next, go to this link, HTML color codes. The color codes is something that we actually need because these are the colors that will pertain to your one-page website. We can actually factor in the colors throughout your entire one-page website, okay? These right here are just examples of an actual color code. If you notice, they both have the pound sign, okay? So you would actually go to this link, okay? We're gonna do a quick, take you there real quick. And this is the code for this color. You move this, and it'll give you a different color, okay? That's the code for that color, okay? You would just copy this, okay? And then you would just paste it. Put the pound, okay? And there it is. You only need 2 colors, okay? 2 colors, very important, okay? Now, let's move along. Home section. This part is very important. Home section. The welcome statement is optional. Motto or quote of some sort is recommended, but that still is optional. A horizontal picture can be placed up top that is of good quality. Please make sure that if you're going to use a picture that is great quality, the picture needs to actually be really, really big. If you open up your picture on a desktop, laptop, whatever it may be, iPad, whatever that you have, and the picture is small in dimensions and looks blurry, that's exactly how it is going to look. Okay, if your picture, okay, is a screenshot of some sort, like taken with the phone, and it has extra stuff on the outside borders, please make sure that you crop your picture. Okay, it is very important because that picture will actually be pasted in the spot. So therefore, if it's not cropped, please make sure that you actually do that. Okay. If you have a graphic banner, that can be placed up top as well. Okay. If you have a logo, it can be placed up top as well. If you need a logo, please contact us or contact your consultant so they can get you the current pricing for the logo. With logos take anywhere from 3 to 5 business days to actually be created. Black and white and color logos, anything from color logos such as 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, 4 color. If you need a vector logo, if you need a transparent logo, everything that we do is high resolution in regards to logos. If there is a logo that you might have seen online and you say, I like this idea, but I want to use parts of it, etc., 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 our logo team can actually recreate something very, very similar if you send in an example. If you do not send in an example, then the team will take any notes, any notes that you have in regards to what you want, and then they'll go from there. Okay, so if you don't have a logo or if you need your logo redesigned, just know that we can take care of it. Okay, scroll down on your text document. This is an actual text document. Okay, type the section names in the order that you want them listed on your website. This is so important. Okay, put them in the order. Okay, because that is the way how your one-page website will actually be built. It will be built based upon this order that you actually put here. Okay, so please make sure that you follow that. Below is a mock format. As long as you have 5 sections, not 6, not 7, not 8, you are completely fine. Okay. Section 1, name. This is the part that you would type. You type section 1 and then you type the name of the section. For example, about us or about the brand. This is the who. Who are we? Okay. This is where you can list this is where you can briefly discuss about the history of the brand or about you, the mission statement, the values, the any quotes, list any certifications, and any notable achievements. And if you have a motto, feel free. Okay. This part, very, very important. Okay, this is what people. This is how you introduce yourself to your potential client. Okay, this is the part that they see first, generally after the home part of the actual website. Okay, section 2. Okay, services. Now we will only list 6 services. Okay, now please keep in mind, once the website actually launches, you can add more services manually once the website is launched. Okay, you will not be restricted. The services section, this is the what. This is what are you offering? Okay, what are you selling? Very important. Why are people patronizing your business? What do you have? Okay, so you want to make sure that you list the services in the exact order as you want them to be listed on your website. Please keep in mind, we are only going to list 6, but you can list up to 20 or 30 different services. Okay, very important. Here's an example of the text information. Service name, one or two sentence description about the service, then the price if necessary. Okay, that's optional. Then you just repeat it. Okay, you just keep going. List the services in the exact order as you want them listed on your website. Now, for example, if you are in the restaurant business, okay, then what you would do is first, as opposed to section name being services, you may say section 2 name is menu. Okay, then you would actually list in the exact order. For example, appetizers. Okay, then you'll put the name of the appetizer, one or two sentence description about that particular appetizer, and if there is a price for that appetizer. If you want to leave off the price for it, that is completely fine. If you are selling anything such as seafood, then you can put market value. Okay, be very, very descriptive in regards to what it is, in regards to the description. If you, and this is very important in regards to those who are in the restaurant business, or the baking business, whatever it may be, food and beverage industry. If there's anything that can cause an allergen, please make sure that you list it. Okay, because you never know. Especially in regards to peanut allergens. If there's different things, please make sure that you list it. Okay, and you just repeat the process. Okay, now this part is optional. Okay, top reason for people to patronize your business. This is the why. What makes your brand or services so different from everybody else? Okay, if you do list something like this, then it is recommended that you may have 4 or 5 one-liners. Okay, one-liners are something. They're lines that are very, very short. They're a few words. For example, somebody says, "What makes your brand or services so different?" Number 1 might be great customer service. Number 2 might be low turnover. Um, you know, and then number 3 might be 5 stars or whatever it may be. These are real quick one-liners. Okay, this part is optional. Okay, section 3, name gallery. This section is only if you want to have a gallery section. Now, of course, you do not need to send in any images to us. Okay, for the time being, we'll place mock images on your website. Okay, once the website launches, you are more than free to actually go in and you can add more images manually. You can actually add up to 200 images. Okay, very, very important. So you can add images, delete images, add, delete, delete, add, whatever it may be. Okay, now, very important. If you have more videos than images and you rather have a video section as opposed to a gallery section, you can. Okay, now if you have more videos, then you actually need to go to YouTube, create a YouTube channel if you don't already have one, and you need to actually upload your videos to your own YouTube channel. If you do not have a YouTube channel, you can actually just go to YouTube and you can actually do a search for how to create a YouTube channel, and there will be plenty of videos that actually show you how to do it. This is very important. If you do not want to create a YouTube channel and you rather just pay us to actually do it or pay your consultant, whatever it may be, that's completely fine. There is a fee. Fees do change over a period of time. So whenever, if you do need us to do it, that's not a problem. It can be done. Okay. Now, if you want to have a gallery / video section, you can, but you will still need to upload your videos to YouTube. Okay, very important. Keep in mind, we'll only add 10 images, but you can add more images once the website launches. Okay, section 4, FAQs. We'll create a mock FAQ section for you, which you can modify once the website launches. Okay, section 5, contact information. Hours of operation, business contact number, business address is optional, and any other business information. Okay? Social media links. list all your social media links. Make sure that they are the full social media links. Okay. This is where you can actually copy. This is an example of a full social media link. As you notice, it has the HTTPS, etc., etc., etc. This is a full link. Okay. So that is pretty much it. Okay. For this type of promo, for this type of one-page website, okay, that actually has 5 sections. Keep in mind, if you need more pages, we can design more pages for you. But of course, more pages means that there will be a fee. Okay. Um, Feel free to contact us directly or contact your consultant. But for the most part, this is it. It doesn't take long for to create your text document. Please take your time. Please spell check everything. Please make sure that it's exactly how you want it to be, and please make sure that you follow this. Okay, please make sure that you follow this. Nevertheless, we appreciate you and we appreciate your time, and we thank you. If you're a new client, we thank you. We welcome you, and if you're an old client, we thank you and we appreciate your business. Take care.